There's one life lesson which you can all learn from Scar from the movie The Lion King, and that lesson is, if the system does not give you justice, then learn how to exploit it in your own way. Just like how Scar did not get to become the king of the lions because he was not strong enough to become one, but later became one anyway because of his manipulation skills, even you must exploit the system by using a strength that belongs to you in your own way. Take studies for example. Almost everyone uses repetition to remember stuff, but not everyone gets the same results. And that's why you need to find your own strategies to cheese through the exams and get the top scores. It's exactly what I did, and I've even made a separate video on it. The whole idea not only applies to studies but also other fields like sports, music, art, and more. So yeah, basically find your own way to exploit an unfair system rather than following a linear path that everyone else takes. Thanks for watching.